Hi all. Today I am going to discuss about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell structure and organization, and also the technique for cell sorting. So first, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Before going to that, what is a cell? We all are familiar with this word, cell, and it is a basic structural and functional unit of the cell which is capable of independent existence and forms essential function of life. And it is an aqueous compartment bounded by cell membranes, and they are extremely varied in size, shape, and level of organization. So, classification of cell. Cells are classified into two major classes based on their internal structures. They are prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes include bacterial cell and eukaryotes include plants or animal cell. Prokaryotic prokaryotes. So prokaryotic cell means pro stands for pre and karyotic stands for nucleus. So it is called as pre-nucleated cells, which means prokaryotes does not have a distinct nucleus and nuclear envelope or other membrane bounded organelles. So their genetic material, which is DNA or RNA, is stored just in the center of the cytoplasm but not in the nucleus. They are less complex of organization, and it includes single cell organism but sometimes multicellular ones. All bacteria are prokaryotic cells. Next, eukaryotes. Eukaryotic cell is over, which means U means true, U stands for true, and karyotes means nucleus. So it means true nucleated animals. So they have defined nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, etc., which is present at the center of the cell where genetic material is stored. So not only the presence of nucleus but also they have membrane bound organelles which works together to perform cell function. They are more complex than prokaryotes. Also, both unicellular and multicellular organisms are included in it. All plants, animals, fungi, protists are eukaryotes. So this is a diagram which shows difference between a prokaryotic cell, that is bacterial cell. This is the bacterial cell. This is the bacterial cell. This is a eukaryotic cells, that is plant cell and animal cell. By looking into this figure, we can understand what is the difference between both eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cells. These are the some difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotic cells. Some differences are the chromosomal DNA in prokaryotic cell are circular, whereas in eukaryotic cell it is linear. Then another difference is that centrioles are altogether absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell it is present in animal cell and rare in plant cell. Vacuole is absent in prokaryotic cell and is present in eukaryotic cell. Then some other differences are also present. So next is, what are cell organelles? We all know what is a cell organelle of a cell. Organelles are tiny structures with specific functions within a cell. So they perform specific function within a cell. So some cell organelles are found in both prokaryotic and as well as in eukaryotic cells, which are cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, flagellocelia, and ribosomes. These are the some cell organelles which are found in both cells. So first one is cell wall. Cell wall is the outermost layer of the cell which forms rigid and unbending, which covers the plasma membrane. And function is that provides shape to the cell. Rigidity helps in protection, cell communication, and transport of solute. So both prokaryotic cell, that is bacterial, have cell wall, as well as in eukaryotes, plants have the cell wall. So bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan layer, that is of N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. In eukaryotic cell, the plant cell have cell wall which is made up of cellulose, but animals do not have cell wall. Animal cells do not have cell wall. Next is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a outer surface or limiting membrane for the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasmic surface is limited by this plasma membrane. It is elastic, porous, and selectively permeable membrane made of lipoprotein complex.